Dream furniture, just a click away. From style to delivery, let's make it happen. Step 1. Style selection. Browse our Inspire collection and shortlist the styles you like, or share your needs and our team will send curated factory catalogs, styles for you to choose from. Step 2. Factory matching and availability check. Based on your selections and requirements, dimensions, budget, functions, we check across partner factories and existing catalogs. If a close standard model exists, we recommend it as a faster, lower risk path. Step 3A. Standard path. Confirm specifications, size, finishes, materials. Receive quotation and lead time. Then proceed to order. Step 3B. Custom path. If no suitable catalog item exists, we develop drawings and technical specs with the factory. Drafts are shared for your review and refined until approved. Step 4. Quotation, contract and deposit. A clear quotation and estimated timeline are provided. After signing a comprehensive contract, a deposit, typically 50%, initiates production. Step 5. Production and quality control. Production typically takes 30 to 45 days depending on complexity. We coordinate multi-stage QC and confirm materials, structure, and finishes before shipment. Step 6. Logistics and delivery support. We coordinate reliable logistics partners and assist with customs documentation to ensure a smooth delivery.